So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can add YouTube video to Canva. So first of all, open the browser on your PC. Now open YouTube. Now after this, look for the video you want to open in Canva. For example, this is the video I want to open in Canva. So from here, click on share and then click on copy. Now this will copy the link of the video. After this, minimize the browser. Now launch Canva on your PC. After this, click on this create button. Now select a blank design. For example, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So I will click on it. Now after this, on the left pane, click on apps. Now here, click on the search bar and search for embed. Now click on this icon. Click on open. After this, paste the link of the video you copied, like this. Now click on add to design and this will add the YouTube video to the Canva. Now you can resize it like this. So this is how I can add YouTube video to Canva. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.